Well, howdy, space partners, Mr. Omniverse here, ready to blow your minds once again. Today, we're asking a simple question. What would really happen if you took the ultimate leap from space to the moon? Would it be a graceful, Superman-style landing, or something a bit less superheroic? Let's break it down. Alright, so let's imagine this. You're floating high above the lunar surface, gazing down at that beautiful, cratered landscape below. And you get this wild idea, what if I just jumped? I mean, it's the moon, right? Low gravity, no air resistance, nothing to slow you down. Surely, it would be like floating gently in a slow motion fall, like some kind of intergalactic feather, right? Well, hold up my fearless friend, you're wrong. So wrong. In fact, you couldn't be more wrong if you tried. Let's talk about the moon. First off, the moon's gravity is only about 1/6 of Earth's. That's why astronauts can hop around like rabbits up there. But lower gravity doesn't mean no gravity. So, if you're falling, you're still picking up speed as you go. Now, here on Earth, you'd eventually reach something called terminal velocity, a limit where you stop accelerating and just cruise at a constant speed. This happens because Earth's thick atmosphere acts like nature's air brakes. But on the moon, no air, no drag, no brakes, just you and gravity. It's an all-out cosmic freefall. If you took a leap from, say 100 meters, you'd hit the ground at a solid 37 miles per hour. Now, 37 miles per hour might sound like a fast bike ride, but trust me, hitting that rocky lunar surface at that speed would leave you in no condition to strike astronaut poses for Instagram. Alright, let's get a little crazier. Imagine launching yourself off the tallest skyscraper. By the time you made it down, you'd be going over 115 miles per hour. At that speed, you're not making a grand entrance. You're becoming part of the moon's landscape like a very unfortunate boulder. But let's say you've got a fancy spacesuit, the right breathing gear, and maybe even a helmet cam, so we can all watch. Here's the deal. Spacesuits add bulk. You're basically a giant, overstuffed bag in free fall. So when you hit, there's no smooth landing. You're spinning, bouncing and tumbling across the moon's surface. And you won't just stop. You'll keep sliding and bouncing like a cosmic tumbleweed. And every one of those bounces, it's another chance for something to go wrong. Even if the first impact doesn't break a bone or mess up your gear, each extra bounce wears down your suit. Joints could snap, seals could break. Before long, your suit might be saying, yeah, I'm done with this. And don't forget about that pesky lunar dust. It will get kicked up with every impact, floating around for way too long because there's no air to settle it down. I might be over-dramatizing, sure, but breathing that stuff in over time can destroy your lungs and brain cells faster than you can say moon dust. So while it might look cool in the movies, leaping onto the moon is more like a zero-gravity blender of bounces, bruises, and cosmic dust. And then, it's bedtime for Bonzo. Yes, that's right, you'd be Bonzo. So, my lunar-loving thrill seekers, let's keep those moon landings to the professionals. Make sure you're well-suited, well-prepared, and maybe just avoid jumping off anything too high. The moon is beautiful from up close, but it's not in the mood to play soft landing for any of us. Sorry, but the moon is not our friend. And did you know it's actually shaped like a lemon? But that's a topic for another video. If you've enjoyed this cosmic trip, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, and remember, I'll always be watching you from the stars. I love you.